I hope students you have seen the last video on heights and distance where I have taught you how to make the diagram, how to make use of complementary angle and how to reach to the correct answer without wasting time. So let us take one more example which will not only help you to draw the diagram but make use of complementary angle and how we don't do calculation at every stage but do the calculation in the end. Let's start. Two people standing on the same side of the tower in the straight line with the measure the angle of elevation. So you can see two people standing here, hum and tum. Both are standing on the same side of the tower. Since they are standing down and looking up, so the word uses angle of elevation. Now here two angles are given, 25 degree and 50 degree. As the object is near the subject, okay, or if the person is near the object, the angle is more, and as it is away, the angle is less. So here it is 50 degree and 25 degree. And one more thing is given over here is the height of the tower, that is 70 meter. And what is asked in this sum is distance between hum and tum. So instead of naming them, I have written the point in the diagram. So point distance between P and Q. I hope the diagram is clear. Now let us tackle first do the plotting. So what is a plotting? We have to find PQ. We have to find PQ. PQ is a distance between these two people. That is hum and tum. So can I say it is BQ minus BP? See here. BQ minus BP. So if I from BQ if I subtract BP, what is left is PQ. I hope you understood this. Now the every plotting and planning will be done keeping into mind this thing. Okay, so let us first find BQ. And BQ is the part of which triangle? First of all, tell me students, how many right angle triangles do we have? We have two right angle triangles, that is A, B, Q. A, B, Q is first right angle triangle, and the smaller one, can you see the smaller one? That is A, B, P. Fine. So here first we will find BQ. BQ is part of which triangle? BQ is part of triangle ABQ. Fine. Again, the angle AQB is 25. Is 25. If I consider 25, I won't be able to do the sum easily because it will give me BQ in the denominator. So I'll make use of complementary angle. Complementary angle of 25 is 65. So here angle QAB is 65. So you follow my technique. What 65 is BQ upon AB, that is perpendicular upon base, correct? BQ upon AB, that is 1065. Fine. What is the value of 1025? You have to find from the table, that is 2.1445 is equal to BQ upon AB. What is AB students? AB is 70, which is height of the tower. So here BQ is equal to 2.1445, which you found the value from the table, into 70. Now I won't do any calculation over here. I will leave it as it is. So here I have found BQ. Now let us tackle BP. BP is part of which triangle? BP is part of triangle ABP. Let us remove this 65, which is not required right now. We are going to tackle triangle ABP. Again, if I consider 50 degree, I won't be able to do my calculation easily, I'll make use of complementary angle. As you know why I'm using 40 degree, which I have taught you in the previous video. So here 40. What 40 is BP upon AB? That is perpendicular upon base. That is 1040. Now from the table, as your teacher have taught you how to find the value of 40, that is 0.8391 is equal to BP, which we have to find, upon AB. What is AB? AB is 70. So here BP is equal to 0.8391 into 70. If you have seen, I have not done anywhere any calculation. Okay, I have left it as it is. Now use your brains. PQ is what? PQ is BQ minus BP. Fine. So here, what is BQ? That is 2.1445. Substitute the values into 70 minus 0.8391 into 70. Instead of multiplying and getting bigger number, can I remove 70 common? Yes. If I remove 70 common, so 2.1445 minus 0.8391. And if I subtract this, you get the value. Subtracting is much easier than multiplying these values and getting big numbers. So it is 1.3054. Now student, it is very easy to multiply by 70. And when you multiply this by 70, the value obtained is 91.378 meter. But that is not the answer. After decimal, try to give 2 digits. So technically answer is still here. But what did I teach you? See the neighbor. If neighbor is 5 or more than 5, delete it. Find 5 or more than 5, delete it and add 1 to the previous number. So it comes to 91.38 meter. What is this? It is different. It's a distance between hum and tum. If you have noted students, this example have taught you not only making use of complementary angle but doing the calculation not at every stage but in the end. I hope you understood this sum. There will be one more type in your textbook where this hum and tum are standing on the either side of the tower. So I request you go through your textbook, see the exercise, find the sum where hum and tum are standing on the either side of the tower and solve the sum.